Imagine, the future of aviation fuel comes from waste, and even more, it could be produced from your own waste. How is that possible? Here, I present you my thesis work. Unlike land-based vehicle, the aircraft's energy storage is nearly impossible to get into place with battery. That's because the battery energy density is astonishingly low. The most promising solution here is SAF, or Sustainable Aviation Fuel. Unfortunately, the SAF has a food security versus energy dilemma. That's because the source of SAF usually comes from edible oil. The idea I propose here is replacing the SAF feedstock by black soldier fly oil. Black soldier fly, or BSF, is a waste bioconverter. It means they can grow by consuming waste. The previous research proved that BSF could consume of various organic waste, like food waste, livestock manures, and even a human excrement. Yeah, in the future, your waste could fuel up the aircraft. Let's compare with feedstock like palm oil. The BSF has a more sustainable advantages, like first, land use. BSF only needs 0.06 meters squared for a kilogram liquid being produced. While the palm oil, it needs as spacious as 2 until 3 meters squared for a kilogram oil being produced. Well, the chemistry side, the lauric acid is contained or mostly built in BSF oil, has a perfect C12 alkyl group, while the oleic acid has a longer C18 alkyl group. To have a jet fuel like, the oleic acid only needs anhydrous deoxygenation to eliminate the carboxylic acid, while the oleic acid, after you do the hydrodeoxygenation, you need a cracking to have a lower or shorter hydrocarbon chain. Less or the fewer reaction steps means you can save the energy to do the hydrotreating. So the objectives of my research is, I'm looking for this, the catalyst that more favorable for hydrodeoxygenation and preventing hydrocracking.